see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Hey guys, today yung uwi namin and gisingin ko na si Holly. Bigyan ko pa siya ng 5 minutes. 10 o'clock yung ano namin, yung alis namin. Yung bus namin. Yung oras is 8:20. Okay. Ayusin ko lang yung bed pero nag-impake na ako. Bye to. Love you. Ate Uli. Thank you. Sis favorite niya yung bagong bili.
What day is today?
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Tita Mana?
Thank you. Hey. Welcome.
You love this toy, don't you, boo?
Guys, dito na pala kami. Nahatid na kami ni Dan sa bus station. Thank you again, Race and Dan and the kids. Hintay lang namin ang boarding. Boarding namin is 10 o'clock, 9:39 pa lang. Pero nakakuha na ako ng tab for my luggage. What? Binigyan siya ni Tito Dan ng lollipops. 4. So, kanina tumawag si Sak. Nag-greet na siya sa akin ng Happy Mother's Day. Then, after, si Kuya naman tumawag. And then, si Oli kanina, syempre. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. But, late nyo ito makikita. Tapos na yung Mother's Day. Okay, yung scarf ko, andyan lang din. Isa lang pala yung dala namin. Tapos yung mga nabili ko, hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung mga nabili ko. Napagkasya ko dito. Okay na yun. Alright. Ay, another long ride. 7 hours ang bus. Maganda yung weather, hindi ganun kalamig. Tama lang. Naka-turtleneck tayo. Semi. And ito yung aking vest. From nabilis. Cider. And yung case nitong camera, hindi ko mahanap. So sabi ko kay Race, pag nakita niya, itago niya na lang. Yeah, wala talaga. But yeah, see you later. Kaalis lang namin sa terminal. Ang dinis ng kalsada. I mean, walang traffic. Hindi niya makita. Ayan. Naka-stoplight lang. Ayan. Dito ba kayo sa Keith and my car? Hi! Lunchtime. Wala nang chicken. Yan na lang. Wala yung ribs. Meron pang iba, but yung gusto ko wala masyado. Order na kami guys. Gusto niya lang is potato cake and chips. Yun lang ang gusto niya. Ako, nag-order akong 2 ribs. May bagong luto. May 2 ribs, isang Kerensky, and chips. Yeah, chips. Well, ano yung inahabis na? Puno. So, dito kami sa mataas na table. Elevated. Ito. Mumbang ito. Alcohol. Mother's Day lunch. large chips yung kinuha ko kasi gusto nilang chips. And ready to play. Ito yung chicken, yung wings, and gravy. We only have 25 minutes.
Say something that will make my day.
Balik na ulit kami dito sa bus. Ay, anong oras na? 1:29. Makakarating kami 5 o'clock. Dito na tayo, guys. Do you have any bin here, Baba? Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah, you too. See ya.
Happy Mother's Day. I forgot it was Mother's Day.
You forgot? Who reminded you this morning?
No, I knew.
Oh, you knew. And then, you're early daw. Siya ang unang nag-taxi dyan. Tapos tumawag siya sa
Did
akin.
Holly send me wax candy?
I did. There's, can you put this in the bin now? Wait, knock. Knock, can you put this in the bin?
Holly,
Yes.
where's my wax?
Okay, it's that Mother's Day din na. Makas.
Yeah, my car.
You're gonna make mother's meal.
Makas daw kayo
Now I'm
from
gonna make husband meal.
Because ba? Oh, babe.
Is the bus good?
Yeah, the driver is so nice.
Yeah, he tries to make his customers feel safe.
No, the one we had going to Adelaide wasn't.
Clear, Holly?
What about the one going to Adelaide?
It wasn't. It's, well,
What was he saying in there?
no. Because the one who drove going to Adelaide was a learning, like someone, but the trainer was a bit, yeah, it's not nice to the
Who
driver.
was he not nice to?
To the driver that learning.
The what?
The instructor is not nice.
Oh.
I think it's our being strict. Mother's Day Makas. Dito raw kayo kakain sa Makas. Take away yung in-order namin pero dito na lang daw kainin. Si Holly nandyan, oh. Si Kuya hindi sumama kasi sorry si Kuya kasi kahapon. No, Friday naglaro si Kuya. And maulan daw nung Friday. Basang-basa si Kuya tapos super cold. Malulubat na tayo. But yeah, dito kayo mag-spend ng Mother's Day sa Is this our Mother's Day dinner? Ha? Wala pa yung order namin. Naghihintay yung mag-ama ko din. And kahapon, di ba, nag-Melbourne si Jan. Nakauwi daw siya 2:20 na madaling araw. And then kaninang umaga, around 10, pumunta raw siya dito sa Mount para mag-watch ng training ng horses na mayroon siyang share. And then, mga tanghali na raw siya nakauwi. Tapos pag uwi niya, naligo, pinakain niya yung horse, si Storm. Kasi nga, susundin kami ng alas 5. So, sakit daw ng katawan niya. Kasi nga, yung pagpunta niya ng Melbourne, balikan lang. Mabilisan lang talaga. Kasi nga, nag-race yung horse ni Dad. Natalo yung horse ni Dad. Hindi siya, pero okay naman yung takbo. Pero, yeah, madami kasing, mga nagre-race. Ang magagaling din. Pero nanalo yung horse na yun nung nakaraan. Tapos, after a month ata, or a few weeks, nag-run ulit. Tapos yun natalo. Ganun naman talaga. tapos na yung aking SD card. Ano lang, 8 minutes na lang. Tapos 15% na lang yung battery. Ang tagal ng order namin. Kanina pa. Ito, hot chocolate. Isa gusto niya yung hot chocolate. Pag naputol tong vlog, I'll see you next time, guys. I know, it's so long. Where's Daddy? Si Sak, di ba hindi siya kumakain ng makas? Meron siya nagustuhan yung wrap. Chicken wrap. Di ba pa doon?
Did you check everything's set?
Yeah, it's good now.
Right, who got that?
Quarter pounder sa akin. Kay Jam. What you got that? My Mother's Day burger. Big Mac pala sa kanya.
That's big up.
Wala. Kulang yung order. Yung ang taga yung naghintay, tapos wala yung pagkain niya.
Very good.
That's good. Gutom pa naman na yan si Jan. Kasi si Jan kumakain lang yan once a day. You left it there?
So no, she
Huh?
might have just had one going in the bag and we just didn't quite know.
Did you see the guy?
No, the girl.
Okay.
She was going off and
Check your bill.
everything. She didn't check it, did she?
Bye na kami. Gutom na ang kuya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, ito gagawin nila ni Kuya Sak niya. Yung nabili niya sa Target. Are you gonna put that one?
Yes.
Yan yung butter clouds. All of them? How? How are you gonna put it in?
Normally this is supposed to be a bowl.
No.
Right.
Pag namatay to, guys, see you next time. Yeah, but how are you gonna put it here?
Yes, Mum. That's why we need to.
Okay, ito yung itsura niya. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo. Kung ano magagawa. Malulubat na to eh. Happy Monday, guys. Dumating na yung aking ibibigay kay Sa. Ito yung regalo natin sa kanya. Sa kanyang birthday. Back here. Come here. Okay. Happy birthday. Okay. Yan lang yung laman. Okay, I have a card here. Yeah. Louder.
No matter how big you get, always be my baby boy. I know you've been wanting this.
Read properly. Gising niyo lang daw.
Happy 13th birthday, Zach. You're growing up so fast. But no matter how big you get, you always be my baby boy. I know you've been wanting this, so I hope you love it. Love you. You'll read them back. Stay sweet. As you, I love Mum. Thanks, Mum.
Welcome. I pay extra
What?
to wrap it for you.
Oh, we just this again.
A gift wrap. What do you think is this? Huh? Yeah, that's this one, the side. Oh, careful.
TJ! Look.
Trying to know what you got. Is that the one you want?
Yep. Day!
He's getting ready. May pasok kasi Monday. Nag-get ready na si Kuya. So you're not gonna buy this now, Maya. I got it for you. May pera kasi siya. Gusto niyang bilhin din sa Maya. Oh my God. What's the smell? Oh wow, you know how to open. You've been watching. Oh, it's broken. Okay, I should mag-spray. No, you have to do this. What do you call this? What perfume is this? Tell them what kind of perfume.
John Paul.
You have to tell them.
John Paul Gaultier elixir.
Oh. Oh my God. This smells so good. Oh. You like it?
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng packaging. I like the packaging. Okay. Happy?
Yeah.
You like it? Is that the one? Not the Louis Vuitton?
No, I was just joking with that.
Huh?
I was just joking with that one.
Kasi meron siya isa, yung Louis Vuitton, 500. How much that one?
560.
Yeah, 500 something. 500 something. Pero sabi niya, ayun, kasi mahal. Okay.
Thanks,
Happy? You're welcome. Oh, you smell so good now. Are you gonna wear it today?
Yeah.
Wow. So yun guys, yung kanyang regalo.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
I'll get ready now.
Get ready. Thank you. Ayun, yun lang guys. Mamaya yung pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko rin sa sa Meyer. Baba, can you get my
I need to get ready.
So ito yung nabili ko sa Adelaide na napaka-busy ng pagpunta namin. Kasama pala tong gift tong bag nung pagbili natin itong perfume. Ayan, Burberry.
Did you get one as well?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. When did you get it?
I went to Adelaide.
Is this the one that you wear?
No, this one.
Oh, that one was at the chemist, that one.
Yeah. May mga parigado din pala. May mga binigay na mga maliliit na sample.
Is this one the one?
No. Okay.
This one.
It's not there. Yeah, that one. Ito. Paamoy natin sa kanya. So, tatlo to pinagpipilian ko. Pero ito yung nagustuhan ko. Ito yung intense. Intense? Yeah. Siya yung intense. Yung dalawa, mabango din. Pero ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Ayan yung bote. Okay. Magnetic siya. I wanna smell. Mahilig si Sak sa perfume. Wait, we have to rub it first.
It smells a lot of fruit.
You think so? Oh, what do you think? Come here!
It's good.
It's good? Oh, ang bango niya, guys. Amoyin nyo na lang pag nasa mall kayo. Ang bango niya. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Oh. But yeah. Ito yung aking Mother's Day. So, yun guys. Ito yung... Ha? Which one? How much? Oh. You know what? Because we went to Adelaide unplanned, right? I could have get it in Adelaide. You know why? Because there's free shower gel if I get it from the mall. Oh, may free siya kasi tinanong ko. Kaso nga, na-order ko na siya, diba? So, tinanong ko lang kung anong included. Kasi nga, ano sila, may pa-special, ano sila, kasi nga, magma-Mother's Day nun. So, ang free daw nun is shower gel. So, may shower gel sana siya din na John Paul. So, yan yung mga free na binigay na mga maliliit na sample. Ayan. Nagawa na ako ng lunch nila. So, yun lang guys. Dito na si Jen. Hindi niya alam na nabigay ko na yung perfume.
That's too small.
So, Happy Mother's Day pala sa lahat ng mama sa buong mundo. Kahit hindi mama, pero nag-aalaga ng mga bata. Happy Mother's Day po sa ating lahat. Si Kuya, ayun yung may cheese. I thought Daddy's here.
Did you eat here?
And bring fruits, please.
Yeah, I'll bring a pear.
Wow, Holly, you smell so good.
Wow. Wow.
Kuya, no cheese for you?
Station. What you can smell when I walk past you. I just did 1, 2, and someone noticed.
Guys, I just want to say thank you for all of your greetings on my birthday, and thank you for always watching our vlogs. Thanks.